Hi everybody. So we'll be starting with banking for ICSE 10th, and in this video I'll be covering the formulas first and then moving on to the questions. I'll be completing the entire chapter in this one video. So let's begin. First is interest. The formula is P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So let's talk about what is P, what is N, what is R. So P here denotes the money deposited. Where is this money deposited? In the bank account, right? Per month. Then N is the number of months. So you'll have to convert the year into months, okay? For example, the question is 1 year. That means you'll have to convert it into months. If it is 2 year, then N is 24 months, right? What about R? It is the simple interest rate per annum, right? Rate of interest. I is what you have to calculate, right? I is the interest. Then we come to MV, that is the maturity value. The amount that a person will get at the time of maturity will be MV. Let's begin with question number 1. And if you want to pause the video, you can try this out. This is a website, Molly eBooks, and it has got all the ebooks related to ICSE 10th and ICSE 12. Full syllabus chemistry reactions, then English language, full syllabus ebook, physics most important questions, history civics most important questions. And yes, we have also launched Success Hub mentorship course for ICSE 10th, in which all the important ebooks that I have made so far will be uploaded, new ebooks as well. Then the important PDFs. It covers physics, chemistry, maths, biology, history and geography. So the features here includes test papers, PDFs of formula and PYQs. You will get a lot of ebooks here. Strategy and guidance will also be provided, and I'll also check if you have done the homework via mail, and the multiple subjects are already covered. So if you want to buy it, the link is in the description box. I'll just show you this membership course. I've uploaded all the ebooks here, and I'll be uploading PDFs on daily basis, like the chapter PDFs and the PYQs related to that. See, this is banking chapter with all the formulas. Then we move on to the questions. Since we have launched it 3 days back, so the discount period is for a limited time. You can buy it if you want to avail the discount. Otherwise, the prices will then rise. So we'll be starting with question number 1. Mrs. Goswami deposits ₹1,000 every month. This is the principal, right? In a recurring deposit account for 3 years. 3 years is the time and 8% is the R. Find the matured value, that is MV. Okay, so I'll just write whatever is given. This is the first thing you have to do when you solve a question. Write everything that is given. P is ₹1,000. Then we have N, which is the number of months. It is 3 years. That means 3 multiplied 12, which is 36 months. Right? Then R is 8%. Now we will be using the formula P, that is 1000, into N, that is 36, into N plus 1, that means 37, divided by 2 multiplied 12, into R is 8, divided by 100. Okay. Now we will solve this. So it becomes 4440. Okay, rupees 4440. You'll have to mention the unit as well. We have to find the matured value, right? Matured value, that is MV. So MV, here the principal amount was 1000, N is 36, and interest here is 4440. Answer will be 36,000 plus 4440, that is equal to, so the amount Mrs. Goswami will get at the time of maturity is this. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposits rupees 600 per month. Do not worry about any type of bank account they have given in the question. You just have to focus on what is given. For example, the P, then the time, right? So here P is 600 rupees. And the time period, that is T here, is 4 years. 4 multiply 12, that is 48 months. Right? If he gets 5,880 as interest, rupees 5,880, okay, at the time of maturity. So this is the interest. Find the rate of interest per annum. So here the formula will be, we'll put everything in the formula. 600 multiply 48 multiply 49 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. So we have to find out R. So the answer is 10% per annum. Okay. Now we will move on to the next question. So this question is a little bit lengthy and tricky also. If you have not done quadratic equations, then it will be difficult for you to solve. Just comment what chapter videos you want in maths, okay? So the solution here. Okay, so what is given? Samita has a RD in a bank. The P here is 2000 rupees. Rate of interest is 10%. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. Let's assume that the account was held for n months. So we'll just calculate. So let's put it in the formula. I is equal to P into n plus 1. N is the number of months, right? Divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So here I is equal to, this is 25n into n plus 1 divided by 3. How to find out the maturity value? It is P into n plus I, right? This is the total money deposited. So P into n, that is, what was the value of P? It was 2000, right? 2000 into n plus I is 25n into n plus 1 divided by 3. Alright, let's solve it. Anything else? MV is also given, 83,100. 83,100, okay. So I'll just solve. 6,000n plus, we can just multiply, okay, 25n square plus 25n divided by 3. Now what we can do is take this 3 there and multiply it. So this becomes 249300, okay, and this is 25n square plus 6025n. Whenever a quadratic equation is formed, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? The highest power is in the first position, then the power lower to it, and then this constant. I'll be teaching quadratic equations if you have any problem in this. Okay, it is a very easy chapter. Will be 25n square. We'll have to take it to one side so that it becomes equal to 0. Plus 6025n minus 249300 equals to 0. Now n square, we can divide it by 25. So it comes out to be this. Alright, now we have to factorize 9972 in such a way. Here, for example, x and y, these are the factors. When they multiply, it comes out to be this. If you have done quadratic equations, then only you can solve this question, right? So the factors here are 277n and 36n. You know it very well. You'll have to take this HCF, right? Divide by 2, then go on, try to make out the factors here. So see, 277 and 36, when we subtract, it is coming, and when we multiply, this 9972 is coming. Taking n common, n plus 277 minus 36 common, n plus 277 equal to 0. Now n plus 277 and n minus 36 equals to 0. N is minus 277 and 36. But you know that number of years can never be negative. So n is equal to 36. That means the account was held for 36 months, or we can say 3 years, right? You can also try out these PYQs. See, this is question number 1 and question number 2. The answers are also provided. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be uploading more such videos. Please subscribe Molly's channel, and also if you want to purchase that course, you can. It will be very helpful for the 10th graders. Bye.